knee pain when working out is is surprisingly common. Um, many dance workouts can feel like they are all about jumping and stomping, but fear not. You can still achieve your fitness goals with knee-friendly dance moves that are just as effective. Start with a proper warm-up. And it's non-negotiable. And ease into it with gentle movements, which is thinking marching in place or low impact step touches. These prep your muscles for the workout without putting stress on your knees. Warm up for at least 5 minutes. Low impact doesn't mean low energy. Um, Moves like the grapevine can be your best friend. Glide and sway without the impact. With just 4 steps and a bit of flair, you will engage your core and keep your heart rate up. Modify high intensity moves. Instead of high knees, think about doing raised marches. This reduces the impact, yet retains the core strengthening benefits. You'll still feel your heart pumping, but without the strain on those precious knee joints. Side leg lifts are fantastic for building strength. They're often underrated, but offer massive value in terms of muscle toning and balance improvement. Plus, they can be done while dancing without forcing your knees to bear the brunt of your workout. Twist and shout, but skip the jump. Twisting motions like those from classic twist dance routines engage your core and help with balance. Add music and you'll be moving like a pro. Just remember, keep those feet grounded to spare your knees. Consider adding resistance bands. They intensify your workout by adding tension and engagement in muscles without knee strain. This also means you're burning more calories, making each dance action more efficient. Trust me, your knees will feel the positive difference. Marching with arm movements can replace jumping jacks. Add side arm raises or front punches for intensity. These alternative moves focus on your upper body, offering a cardio workout that's gentle on the knees. Plus, they are super fun. Listen to your body, especially your knees. Pain is different from discomfort. If you notice any sharp pain, take a pause and modify the movement. And your knees are shouting louder than a dance track if something isn't right, so heed their warnings. Pro tip, invest in quality cushioning shoes. These absorb shocks and provide added support to your joints. You might be thinking, shoes can make a difference. Oh, yes. A good pair can be the game changer in your dance fitness journey. Let's talk routines, and for 3 or more sessions a week, each lasting 20 to 40 minutes. The consistent repetition while being knee-friendly ensures improvement in your fitness levels. Studies show 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly can reduce chronic disease risk by 20%. Remember, having fun is key. Dance is as much about enjoyment as it is about fitness. Let yourself be swept away by music, letting your worries stay behind. There's something incredibly freeing about moving without constraints, both mentally and literally. And wow, there you have it, your knee-friendly dance workout. As someone living the real life in Portland, I can say adapting with your knees in mind doesn't mean losing out on intensity or fun. Just be kind to those knees. They're taking you places